How does it work? Form of clear or transparent or invisible aligner system. It's the most advanced, safest, yet the most effective teeth straightening treatment that's available in today's times. The system by which the teeth straightening happens in a way which does not interrupt your day-to-day life. It's a type of orthodontic treatment that corrects the tooth position without the help of any metal braces or wires or any kinds of aids, just these regular plastic aligners. A tremendous volume of research and development has been done. Aligners are provided to the patients by your orthodontist. The orthodontist who's certified, they are known as global providers. The process of availing, it's quite simple. You go to your orthodontist, ask them. The orthodontist who's certified will schedule and scan for you. This scan will record the three-dimensional details of your teeth and of inside of your mouth. The 3D replica of your own teeth that has been derived out of the special scan is a very special one, as you can rotate and revolve it all around and see how exactly or how precisely your teeth are fitting or not fitting, as to say. The software scan has the special capabilities of simulating the end result of your treatment, the final smile, how you would look like after the treatment is completed, as the patient can witness there and then, before and after results, what their smile would look like later on after the treatment. This becomes extremely motivating for them and they become extremely involved and engaged in the treatment. Many a times, patients do not want to get the entire arch corrected. They want a certain problem to be corrected. This also can be addressed too. Once the orthodontist and the patient approves of the final simulation video, that is the clean check plan, the simulation video is approved and it is sent for fabrication. It showcases small incremental movements which are brought about with the change of each aligner, how your tooth would be moving. Once the details are sent for fabrication, within a period of around 7 days to 10 days, we have your aligner with us. It is shipped from the US, custom cleared in India and availed with us here at Cosmodent India. These aligners are precision based. That means once they are delivered, they fit exactly onto the tooth surface very snugly. Like suppose this is a sample of an Invisalign aligner for a patient and this is the patient's mouth and the malaligned teeth. The aligner, once the patient starts wearing them on the teeth, will fit very snugly onto the patient's mouth. You can wear the aligners as directed by your orthodontist. Now each aligner has incremental tooth movements that are programmed inside the aligner. Therefore, the change of each aligner has to be according to the protocol set by the aligner company and also according to the directions of your orthodontist. Usually, the changing time can be as less as 1 week as compared to other aligner systems that suggest that 2 to 3 weeks is usually necessary for the moments to be expressed on the tooth surfaces. The duration or the amount of time that you have to wear the aligner again varies according to the complexity of the treatment. Therefore, the suggestions of your orthodontist are very critical as to how many hours you should be wearing your aligners. Based on that, he will suggest after how many days can the trays be changed. Usually, 16 to 22 hours of aligner wear during a day is sufficient. But again, based on the complexity of the treatment, it needs to be decided as to how many hours would be suitable for your needs. You can visit your orthodontist every 6 to 8 weeks for a review of the aligners, how the teeth are tracking with the aligners. Your orthodontist closely monitors the progress of the movement of the teeth. It's called tracking. He sees whether the tracking of your teeth is actually compatible or is happening along with the moments that are programmed in the aligners. Suppose if there is a discrepancy, he closely monitors and follows it. Whatever changes are to be done, whatever interventions are required can be dealt with in that situation. You can eat soft to medium foods with your aligners on. Yes, with your aligners on. You can also have soft drinks, milkshakes, juices with the aligners on. They slightly discolor, but that won't be causing a lot of trouble for you. This way, these aligners, they have a significant edge when you compare it with your traditional braces, because you would always be worried, if I eat this, if I eat that, will it be breaking my brace? Will it be causing any effect on the brace? But with the aligners, you don't have to worry about all these things. The smart track material that's used, it's a very soft and rubbery material. Yet it is very effective in bringing about the desired tooth movements. And at the same time, there's no pain or discomfort that the patient feels. When you compare it with the traditional braces, there is some soreness or some mild pain that I would say is felt by the patients. But with Invisalign, this is not the case. Now, over 8 million patients have been treated across the world, almost 80 lakhs across the globe, which is a significant number. Cosmodent India is a proud partner. We have treated over hundreds of cases. This is a very successful treatment philosophy. Excellent results have been achieved, and overall, the most important thing, the patients are very, very happy.